Which ocean animal would absolutely destroy your hand? And if you have a hand, hit subscribe. Parrotfish, 200 PS. This guy bites coral like chips. Your hand would basically be a snack. Sea turtle, 1000 PS. Your bones would not stand a chance. Great white shark, 4000 PS. If this bites your hand, you won't have a hand. You can't touch your girlfriend again. Crocodile, 3700 PS. Not an ocean animal, but it visits. And it bites like it's collecting debts. Orca, 19,000 PS. Your hand doesn't just lose, it gets erased from existence.